How to remove your high school on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your high school on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here click these three lines in top corner and go down until you find settings, and here go down, scroll down, and you will find profile information. And now here you will find your high school. Just click this pen here and click delete, and now click yes, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.